Hainan Nicepal Industry Company Limited was established in 1999 and has gone through more than 20 years of development. The company has now developed into a modern agricultural product processing enterprise, integrating agriculture, industry, technology, and trade, and a national high-tech enterprise. We have got ISO 22000 certificate, BRC, kosher and halal certificate. Nicepal now has 13,340 square meters factory building area. Among them, the clean workshop covers an area of 2,000 square meters. The refrigerated warehouse at minus 38 degrees Celsius to minus 42 degrees Celsius covers an area of 1,600 square meters, and the refrigerated warehouse at minus 18 degrees Celsius covers an area of 3,500 square meters. 2 fruit and vegetable powder work lines with an annual output of 10,000 tons of powder. Main products are coconut powder, mango powder, pineapple powder, banana powder, lemon powder, orange powder, passion fruit powder, dragon fruit powder, ginger powder, pumpkin powder, and carrot powder. 1 desiccated coconut product production line with an annual output of 2,500 tons of desiccated coconut. 6 quick-frozen coconut milk and quick-frozen fruit pulp production lines with an annual output of 30,000 tons of frozen pulp. 1 room-temperature pulp Tetra Pak production line. We also have our own controllable fruit base of more than 1,600 acres. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a reliable reputation among our customers because of our professional services, quality products, and competitive prices.